Hello there. Do you want to become a rugby player? Do you want to improve your rugby skills? If so, this video is for you. Today we give you the best books and tips on rugby. Let's dive in. Book number 1. Rugby for Dummies, by Matthew Brown, Patrick Guthrie and Greg Groden. This first book is perfect for you to understand rugby rules and how to play, giving you the essential skills you should master. Tips: fully understand the rules of rugby. Master the essential skills, and increase your endurance and strength. Book number 2. Rugby Skills, Tactics, and Rules, by Tony Williams and John McKittrick. This book gives you all information you need to understand the best rugby tactics and strategies to win games. Tips: know when to press forward and when to play with the foot, learn rugby combination with your teammates, and analyze your games. Book number 3. Kickoff, by James Hook and David Braley. This book share with you a story, inspiring you on your journey to becoming a great rugby player. Tips: see yourself as a great rugby player and visualize yourself playing well. Commit yourself, be patient, make practice a habit and learn from your mistakes. Book number 4. Playing the Enemy, by John Carlin. This book will inspire you with one of the most touching stories of the rugby world. You will see how rugby can be much more than a sport. Tips: know that rugby is a sport that unites people around key values such as integrity, passion, solidarity, discipline, and respect. Book number 5. Legacy, by James Kerr. This last book will inspire you and gives you strategies to improve your life through all black rugby. Tips: know that character begins with humility and discipline. Take responsibility, learn and prepare yourself with commitment, and create ritual to perform at your best. Hope you liked our book's recommendation. Let us know in the comment which of these 5 books you want to read. Click on the link in the description to find the book you want. Do you know other great books on rugby? Let us know in the comments. We would love to know your book's recommendation. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to not miss the upcoming videos. Wishing you all the best in your journey to become a better rugby player. See you.